Having a sense of humor is a valuable asset that can benefit you in several ways. To develop your sense of humor, identify what makes you laugh and explore various types of humor. You can also learn from observing others, but remember that true humor reflects your personality. Instead of focusing on being funny, prioritize having fun and laughing more. Additionally, using humor can help diffuse tense situations and make people feel more comfortable. Let go of defensiveness and criticisms, and learn to accept and laugh at yourself. Laughing at things you cannot control, such as age and appearance, can be liberating. Furthermore, try to transfer your sense of humor to others by being forgiving and lighthearted when they make mistakes. Embrace spontaneity, and don't be afraid of looking silly or failing, as a sense of humor allows you to let go of inhibitions and experience life. Lastly, learning jokes and sharing humor with others can help you connect and build relationships.